Welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app, Salesflare Action Automation for Workflows. Navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and click on it. Click on Install to choose an account where you want to install the app. Click on Continue and then click on Allow and Install. Copy the custom menu link, head back to the account, navigate to Settings, search for custom menu links and click on it. Click on Create New. Insert an icon, give a title, and then paste the link. Choose a sidebar preference, select an account, and then give role-based visibility. Click Save. Once you're done creating the custom menu link, switch to the account, search for the custom menu link and click on it. Then you're going to receive this first pop-up with all the available apps. Search for the app and click on Connect. You're going to have the second interface with all its necessary features such as the documentation and everything you need to get started with your app is right in here. We have a smart queue video that is going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. You have the app set up, no worries, let's walk you through on how to connect your app. Click on the Start Setup and you will require an API key to complete your configuration. Head to the account which we've created online. Click on the Settings icon. Scroll down, search for the API's key and click on it. Then click on the plus icon right over here. You give a name. You click on Create. Click on Copy. Head back to your account and you paste. Then you click on Complete Setup. And your app will be successfully connected. We have the support center where you'll be able to submit a detailed request and schedule a one-on-one call session with our support team. And the change log feature where you'll be able to track all the updates and improvements made on this app. To receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email and you click on subscribe. You've learned how to install, set up, and configure your app. Our support team is available for more tips. Thanks for watching.